tuned if you love cakes and want to know how to make delicious homemade cakes without any difficult process or oven. Now these are the ingredients. So in step 1, let's take 1 cup of sugar, and with the help of a mixer grinder, we will obtain a thin powder of the same because it helps in creating a very smooth cake batter. So our sugar is ready, as you can see. We will start with mixing. Let's get started with the flour. We are taking white flour, 1.5 cups. If you want to make a bigger cake, you can take more in proportion. If you want to make a smaller cake, you can take small proportion. That's absolutely fine. As a next process, we're going to transfer the sugar from the grinding bowl to the mixing bowl. Now, here a point. I take sugar in moderation. So for me, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar. If you are someone who likes to eat more sugar, you can have it 1.5 cups of sugar as well. It's up to you completely. Next, we'll add baking powder. That's 1 spoon. Mix a little bit. Next is vanilla essence, just a little, approximately half tablespoon is enough to go for. Followed by butterscotch essence, again, same quantity, half tablespoon, that's enough. Mix, mix, mix. Now, the king, cocoa powder. I'm going to take 2 big spoons of the same. I love it chocolatey. Now, if you don't want to be a chocolate flavor, you can skip this. If you want it to be, you must. Next, we will take 1 cup of olive oil. If you don't have, you can use butter. Now, as you can see, I'm preparing my aluminum bowl in which I'm going to bake my cake. I'm putting a little bit of olive oil over there, and I'm mixing the ingredients in the mixing bowl. We'll take 3 eggs. Okay, so eggs are in. Now we need to rigorously make a smooth batter, smooth paste of the same. So mix, 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 mix. The smoother the batter is, the fluffier your cake is. It's more spongy and softy, and I love it that way. So my aluminum bowl in which I'm gonna bake my cake is ready. It's greased properly with the olive oil. I'm pouring in the batter that I've just prepared into it. Once that is done, we'll lit up our cooking stove, and we will go for the lowest flame possible. Now you can see this is an entirely empty cooker, pressure cooker, and we just inserted the bowl, the aluminum bowl, inside the cooker. There's absolutely nothing, no water, no nothing. There's no whistle, as you can see. Lid is on, but the whistle, I have taken it off. It's not required for the process. Now let's secure the pressure cooker, and we will have to wait for another 45 minutes for the entire cake to be baked. That's the preparation time. However, if you want to do some sort of decoration and you want to add some nuts, you can come back after 20 minutes. So here we are after 20 minutes, and as you can see, the batter is half cooked. It's still moist in the center, and we can put some cashews or kishmish, whatever you like. I am personally not a very big fan of kishmish. I love kaju, I love cashews. So that's what I'm gonna pour on my cake, and my god, doesn't it look so delicious? I wish you could smell it. It smells delicious. I'm hungry already. Okay, so that's it. We will close the pressure cooker. We'll wait for 15 minutes, and after that we will turn off our cooking stove. That is done, and we need to leave it for at least 4 hours to cool down. Isn't this a very simple process though? Comment and let us know what you think. So I came back next day morning. I was preparing it at night. I came back next day morning and voila! Here it is. My cake is ready. It smells delicious. I am hungry. I'm going to do my breakfast with this cake only. See, it's so soft. I touched it. So let's take it out. As you can see, there's nothing inside the cooker. It's just that aluminum bowl which I had, and that's it. Now we will take help of a table knife, and we will try to take the cake out of the bowl. It should be really easy. We have greased the bowl well, so it will come off very easily. Let's see what happens. There you go. Easy peasy, lemony squeezy. Okay, so we have the cake. Let's turn it up. Yeah, we have it. What do you think, guys? I personally feel that this is really easy, especially for someone who is a newbie in the kitchen. We are intimidated by a complex process of any cooking, but this is so simple, and I thought of sharing with you so that every one of us can have a bite of something as delicious like a chocolate cake. I really crave for this thing. So what are we waiting for? Let's take a bite, shall we? Okay. So, there you go. Your homemade chocolate cake without oven, without any complicated process. Delicious and soft. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really encourages. Thank you so much.